Hey, welcome to Shimmer Blast. In this video, I'll show you how to make this inexpensive Baby Yoda Pinata. I used thin cardboard boxes and drew the silhouette of Grogu. If you want to print an exact outline, go for it. Cut out the drawing. Trace it and cut the other side out. Cut a 2.5-inch strip of cardboard and bend it gently. Use masking tape. I ran out and had to use old masking tape. It peeled off eventually, and I was left with what I had. If you use packing tape or duct tape, the piñata will not break apart very easily when the kids hit it. Maybe that's what you want. Make 2.5-inch strips of cardboard for the sides and the bottom, and tape them on. Tape the inside too. Leave a flap on the bottom for candy. Fold green tissue paper accordion style. Cut along one fold. Make 1/2-inch slits toward the remaining fold. Don't cut all the way through. Trace Baby Yoda's head. Glue the tissue on. Begin gluing strips of green tissue. To create more texture, glue a strip, then slide the top fringe up slightly and glue it down. Hit that like button if you love Baby Yoda. Trim the excess. Take tan tissue paper and fold an 1.5-inch strip for the robe. Make strips of tan fringe. Glue and trim. I drew the ears and glued them on. I used a Cricut to cut the rest of the face. Attach a rope and fill the bottom with candy or prizes. If you want the full effect, make a dark trooper piñata to kidnap Baby Yoda and bash him apart instead. Like and subscribe for more party ideas.